Thank you for checking out AutoDrill's videos. You can find us on the web at drill-hq.com, autodrill.com, or of course give us a call at 800-871-5022. Here we have a standard drill press. This is, I believe, is a 2 horsepower, 3-phase drill press or so, or maybe a single phase, but 220 volt. What we've done is we've put a 3-spindle head on here for a demonstration. And this head has been aligned with a part that we're going to drill. You can see we've got some pilot holes, or at least the start of the holes there. This head's been set for the center to center that we need for a part here at AutoDrill. And we're going to use this head to actually drill through the part. You'll see that this drill press here, of course, typically starts off just like this one over here with a single spindle, and we have mounted the head right onto the quill. It's just like a gearbox with 1 input and 3 outputs, and we will now drill 3 holes with this drill press. So essentially what happens is you'll put the head on the drill press, somebody will literally just pull the arm down, and you'll see nice and easy that it will drill 3 precision-spaced holes for you in a part. And of course we're running at a very slow RPM here just to illustrate what happens. We don't want any chips coming up breaking the camera or anything like that, but you could run this at the RPM that the drill bit requires, and this can be used on a CNC machine, a milling machine, a drill press as you see here, or of course on a self-feeding drill like AutoDrill. We would love to quote you a piece of equipment like this. If you have any questions or needs for something like this, please, again, email us, call us, check us out on the web, whatever we can do to help you. Thank you for watching our video.